Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always choosing my channel, and thank you so much for always coming back to support my channel. In case you are new here guys, kindly subscribe. So in today's video guys, I'm home as you can see, and so actually I'm done with my online class, and actually I would like to share with you guys in my evening. I'm about to say routine, but it's not a routine because I'm not always doing such kind of activity that I'm going to do by now. And so by today's video guys, I'm going to organize my closet. So guys, so actually I don't like to organize my closet because it consumes a lot of time, so that's why I prefer to do it just in time. So but not like every day organize my closet. I don't have that time. So by now, so guys, be sure to be with me, and yeah, let me start my today's activity. I don't know if I can say activity. So but by this evening, I'm going to care about my closet, and then after do like the assignment. I don't know where I can fix my camera, but here I think it's good. And guys, so let's start together. And yeah, I don't know if I can, whether I had this one. I don't know if you really got me well. Okay, let me continue for this one. And so let's start guys. It's too much. And so actually let me bring my suitcase. So guys, actually, my goodness, can you imagine? Sometimes I feel like I don't have anything to wear. Can you imagine, guys? And so but what I'm going to do, change in my closet, so the way I store my clothes, anything which is no longer used, anything which is no longer weird by now, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to keep it like forever. Yeah, just like forever, because this is too much and it also give me like headache. So that's why for the first time I'm going to put like the thing that I'm no longer still wearing, I'm going to put it aside and then remain with only few clothes that I'm always wearing. So guys, okay, yep, actually I don't know where I'm going to start in. But okay, let me start by this one because guys, I'm not good in skirt like this one. Guys, such kind of clothes create a lot of traffic in my wardrobe, so that's why I'm going to put inside the suitcase and keep it away. Can you imagine? I can spend like almost years without wearing such kind of clothes. So that's why I really need to keep aside. And yeah, so even this one, it no longer fits me because I become bigger, guys. And yeah, so those mini skirt yo, so by now my favorite clothes are those big pants. Are the pants, guys, just like this one. So actually this is kind of my favorite clothes that I really need. So because traveling a lot, doing some vlog by traveling by walk by feet, so it's not a good idea to do such kind of vlog by with wearing such kind of clothes. So that's why I really need to keep it away and away. Yep. Guys, look at my favorite clothes. So that is it. This is how I end up. Look at it, guys. I didn't need to keep all those things away. Anyone who really like such kind of clothes, come and take it for sure. I really am already ready to give it away. So yep, so okay, this is somehow long and I still really use it. I'm going to keep it. Okay, those ceremony dress also, and yeah, I'm going to keep it also. So but this one I think is not washed. Let me keep it away. Such kind of shorts, I'm going to keep it aside. Oh my god, yeah, oh, those are my favorite one. All of these guys, actually it seems like easy, but it's super tough. Super tough, guys. Guys, I don't know which is the best way to keep the clothes. Just like that or like that. Guys, drop your comment. What do you think? Is better to keep the clothes like that or do like that? So but for me, I don't care, because look at this one, is not changed yet, another one is changed. It depends maybe how the clothes. So but I think this is actually the good way to keep the clothes. So I'm not sure, but logically that's how I really think. Zacu z'abandi bavandimwe ibyo bagize, kandi ikindi kandi nanone sinzi ukuntu mbivuze gutyo, nibuka umuntu wavuze ngo ntago ari interested na YouTube z'abanyarwanda. How my dear, you need to support us. Ukeneye kudufasha, ukatureba, ukadushyigikira. Urumva? Kubera ko nutabikora uzaba uri kwisubiza inyuma nyine. Ugomba nyine kudushyigikira, natwe tukara ko twagera nyine kuri urwo rwego rw'abandi ba YouTubers wifuza. So by the way, rata kudushyigikira n'uburenganzira bwawe, ariko is a good thing to do. Ntago ari ikintu nagushimira ngo kuko utareba ngo YouTube z'abanyarwanda, as long as erega actually kuba umu YouTuber cyangwa se kuba undi mu content creators nk'ibisanzwe ni akazi nk'akandi. Ntago ari ibindi bintu bindi, ni akazi nk'akandi. Nk'uko ushobora gushinga akabari cyangwa se gucuruza imyenda cyangwa n'izindi business zose zisanzwe, ukaba wavuga ngo natangiye cyangwa se nafunguye business niyi, postingira, sharingira, kandi rimwe na rimwe uzanyuremo uzane n'abashuti bawe mu nsure nkora ibi nibi. Just ni nk'ibyo byose kuba wavuga nafunguye YouTube, ndi kunyuzaho ibi nibi, sharingira, postingira. Ndumva ari ibintu bimwe, rero ni business nk'izindi, nta mpamvu yo kuvuga ngo nta kintu ngo wa supporting umuntu. Uribaza nawe ufunguye business umuntu akakubwira gutyo. So to be honest, ni ibintu biraryana ku buryo atari ikintu wakwishimira kuvuga kandi ubizi neza ko sinzi ibintu ukuntu nabivuga. Ntago mujya mwumva abantu bavuga ngo urugero wenda ngabanyakenya, ngabanya-Israeli, ngabana ngo barasupportingana, ngo ntago bashobora gufata cyangwa se gufata indi service ngahandi hantu bazi neza ko mugenzi wabo bayifite. So ni nyine ni gutyo bagenda bubaka bonde ikomeye hagati yabo ku buryo kuba wavuga ngo ugiye kureba iki niki cyangwa se ugiye gukora iki niki iba ari indi option mugenzi wawe wasoje gukora ibyo umugeneye. Ariko ntabwo wavuga ngo ntabwo njya ngira gutya na gutya ku kintu cy'umugenzi wawe. So that's not fair, guys. So let me end actually my vlog here. I'm going to hang. It's about to hang. Mvangiye kongera maneke varize hejuru nyine. Imyenda irarangiye. Ubundi nduhukemo gatoya. Byere atandeba na YouTube z'abanyarwanda. Umuntu wese ufite YouTube ngiye nanciye njye murebera rata. Kubera ko I know. So every single second, every single like, every single subscribe, I know how it's really count. So guys, so keep watching, keep supporting Flores Image, and yeah, mugire umugoroba mwiza.